Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you this Punjab gate rice. So these are premium Indian basmati rice, naturally aromatic, so it will smell beautiful. The smell of basmati rice is amazing, and there was some offer buy 2 get 1 free. So 4 kg you purchase, 2 kg you will get free with it. It is healthy, 100% Sortex. Very nice. What else? The weight is written 2 kg, 222. That means in total it is 6 kg. What else? Yeah. So the grains are A grain long, and crop year is 2015. They produce this basmati rice. So all of that is written. So let's not waste time and show you how the grains actually looks like. So I have kept these 2 packets aside, and this one over here I'm gonna open. So there is one thing that they have mentioned, cut from here, then it is openable easily. So just need to cut here, and you can secure it for further use also. The means is that so you can see this is tight. You just need to pull it like this, and you can see the grains, the beautiful grains of basmati rice. This is Punjab gate, and it is giving good competition to India gate basmati rice also. And after use you just need to put this seal back, zip back, and then it's good to go. Thank you friends. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press that bell icon for more my videos. Thank you friends. Bye bye.